Which of these will pollute the air around us? Options are A. Using CNG buses, B. Burning crackers, C. Throwing factory waste in the river, D. Planting trees. So first we will know about what do you understand by pollute. Pollute means to make an area dirty or harmful to people, animals and plants, especially by adding harmful chemicals. Now let's look at the options given. First option is using CNG buses. So CNG referred to as the green fuel, because of its lead and sulfur free character. CNG reduces harmful emission. So we can eliminate this option as it is considered environmental friendly fuel. Now we will see option B, burning crackers. Burning crackers. How do burning crackers affect the environment? Burning crackers causes air pollution as it releases harmful carbon dioxide gas, which is called CO2. Now we will look at this option, throwing a factory waste in the river. These are a direct cause of water pollution, not air pollution. So this is caused by water pollution. Now look at this option, planting trees. Trees can clean the air and absorb harmful airborne particles and gases pollutants. So planting trees does not cause any pollution. Not any pollution. So here option B and option C both are creating pollution, but option C, throwing a factory waste in the river, is creating water pollution, not air pollution. As our question is asking about air pollution, so our answer should be option B, burning crackers.